If your car is making this noise, we're going to check what's going on out. This is Kia Forte. They're kind of not to make this noise. They're using some rubber bushing that tend to wear out over time, and we're going to be replacing the one that came with this car with another one that is even better. Alright, so before we get to it, we have to take this plastic cover out. I think there's one bolt here, there's another one right there. I think those are the two. Let me see if there's another one. Okay, I think it's just two. We have to take this one out and the other one out. Okay. Alright. I think we have another screw. This one, this another one. So it's gonna be 4 screws, not 2 anymore. So I'm gonna use this to take it out. So we have 4 screws to take out. Alright, so okay, that's it. Alright, so we're gonna disconnect this cable. Make sure this one is out. Okay. Alright. One down. Alright. We could just leave it for now. We don't have to disconnect that. Okay, this is where we're going. So this is the steering column, and this is what we have problem with right there. That is why we're going to be working on this, and that's where the problem is. Okay, we're going to bring this down, and what we're going to do is to have more room, I think we may need to remove this bar just to give us some clearance, because that is what we're going to be working with right there. That is it right there. That's what we're going to be working with. So I may have to take this one out just to give us some leeway. Okay, so I'm going to pause the camera now and take this and this out. And if we're going to do this, I will advise that you take out your battery. I will advise you just, you know, remove the battery terminal, disconnect your battery before you do anything that involve wiring, things like that. Alright, so this is going to be off. I'll take this one down, and another one there. All of that to you. No, it's good. Yeah. Hold up. No, very possible. So this is out, like as you can see. I take this out from here. So this is what we want to work on. Exactly, this is what we're going to work on. So I have to drop the steering column. I have to drop it down, and I will have to see what is holding it up there. Okay. There should be a possibility of 4 that is holding it down. Okay, I think it's 2 down here. I may need some light. 1, 2. So I have 4 bolts holding this down that I'm gonna take off. Okay, so for me to drop the top down, all right, I'm gonna need access to this. For now, we have 1 screw down there that you're gonna take out, and there's one right here and there's another one right here. So what we're gonna do is to rotate the steering until we get to one of these, and we do the same thing until we get to the other one. But now it's locked, so we have to start the car. This one needs to come out. That's all we need for now. So this is out. All right, now this is how we're gonna walk. So I have to take this one out. That's one of the bolts. This right there, that's one. And this is another one. 1, 2. Okay, 1. This one right there. Okay, it's a cone. Okay. Okay. So this, everything's supposed to drop, but I'm just gonna take this one out. Just need to disconnect this. So when you're dropping it, do not take out the whole, like when you're losing it, right? You just lose everything. Leave some space so that it's gonna drop. It's still gonna hold position. So do it. This should be able to move now. All right. So I'm gonna go down and drop. Actually, okay. Let me see if I have to lose this one a little bit. So this is one volume. One of, that's one there, right there. Okay, there's another one. Take out.
Chicken pan, I move a go.
Very open in it. Well, okay. So I take out the two. All right. So I'm gonna take these two out, then you slide it back towards you. This one, the other one right here. This one. Just be careful when you're taking it out. I want this to fall on you and break any wire. Okay, so this is the second one for the top. So now this have to slide up a little bit before you can get it out. That's it. You know, now it's down. For this cable to disconnect, there's some cable here that we have to take out. Okay, this is one, this is another one, making two, and this is another one making three. Okay, that's three cable out. I think this one needs to go too. Okay. Let's see now if we can work on this. Should be more room now. Okay, alright. Alright, so I'll drop down the steering column, and this is what we're going to be working on. We're going to take this star screw. It's not like star screw. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, we're going to take this. There's one back there, there's one down there making four. So we're going to take the four out and have access to this. Okay. All right. To get to all these screws, this is what I did. I have this. So what I did is I get one of these. Okay. I get one of these, and I get the size this that can fit into this one, just to fit into it, and I use ratchet just like this. This is how I did it. I use ratchet to drive it out. Yeah, you may need extension like this. You see this extension? I'm gonna need it now, so this is what I'm going to do. I'll plug this to this, just like this, to give me more room to work on this one. Okay, that's all you're gonna need. That's the extension right there. Okay, what we end up doing is there's one bolt right there that we take out, there's another one back there, and there's another one at the back, making three bolts. So we take three out. Okay, we end up taking three out to get the top one out. Well, this one is out. Yeah. So we were able to take this one. We're able to set it apart. Once this one is up, yeah, it's like a connector, right? So we have to take this one up. We have 1, 2, 3 bolts that is holding it down. These three. Once this one is out, then we have access to this. Alright guys, that's it. That's where we're going. As you can see, I'm gonna bring it out to you. Those things are pretty messed up right there. That is what we need to change. The rubber, everything, they are pretty messed up, so we have to replace it. I'm going to show you the replacement. These are the rubbers that I took out. You can see the rest. I have to clean everything out. Everything needs to be cleaned out. Once I clean it out, then I will replace it with a new one, and we'll couple everything back and we'll be good to go. Okay, as you can see, that's the old one. It's messed up pretty bad. This is the new one that we're going to be replacing with. That's the new one. That's the old one that we just took out. Everything is cleaned out. I've cleaned everything out. Okay, once it's cleaned out, now you can replace it, but it's going back to this body. You could just put it back here, or you line it here, but pretty much this is where it's gonna go. As you can see, that's the way you're gonna put it back in. Now you put it back like that. Okay, it's nice, then we'll be good to go. So I don't think there's one side that is good or bad. It can go either way. Just make sure you line it perfectly. Once this thing is lining perfectly, then I think it should be able to go in like that. Okay. All right, so I put the rubber back, the coupler, then this one is back. Make sure you align everything before you put it because of the teeth. Then I put back the bolt. So now I'm going to put this one back on top. Make sure all these are key back. We're going to go this way and make sure that they are all key in place. As you can see, they have to align together. So that's it. The job here is done. All we need now is to couple everything back. I just want to point one thing out, and that is back here. Please be sure you remove a bolt that is holding this down. It's three. We have one here. There's another one at the back right there, which is this one. There's one bolt right here, and there's another one right here. You have to be sure of that, okay? When you take it out, you'll be able to remove this edge. But everything is back to normal now. What we need to do now is to put all the wires back and raise the steering column up, and we're good to go. All right. Normal noise, everything is back to normal, it's complete. The steering is aligned, everything is working fine now. So if you have this problem, this is what you need to do, okay? The rubber is like the coupler, they call it coupler. It should be about between $5 to $7. But if you take this to the dealer, you are looking at $700 to fix it. It's about $700 to fix that little thing for you. Some dealer will tell you they have to replace the whole steering column. Some will charge you because it takes time. I mean, if you know what you're doing, this shouldn't be more than 45 minutes, okay? Bye guys for now. I hope you enjoyed the video.